Hi, this is Chris Gould with Geeks on Tour, and in this video we're going to show you in Google Photos what is the relationship between all your photos and albums. In order to show that, we're going to use a fresh account. We've set up this guest one so that we can look at an account that currently has no photos in it at all, and that should be easier to see what's going on. I am on a computer and I'm going to start by using Picasa. A lot of you made albums over the years this way, and this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to select just 10 pictures. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pictures, and I click the Upload to Google Photos. Now this is going to create an album. Create a new Google Photos album. I'm going to click New and give it a name, and I click Upload. And Picasa is taking care of uploading these photos to the online account of our guest one. That is who Picasa is logged in as, is this guest one. And now it's done. I'm going to close that and I'm going to go the long way. So in a web browser, you just go to photos.google.com. You make sure you're logged in as the proper account, and then I'm going to just refresh the screen. Creating an album, uploading an album from Picasa has actually done two things. Number one, it has uploaded those 10 pictures. So where there were no pictures in this guest account, there are now 10. But this is not the album. So photos are seen in this middle button. To see albums, you click on this last button, which is called Collections. But this is not a collection. This is an album. Collections includes movies and stories as well. If I choose movies, you'll see I have none. If I choose stories, I'll have none. But under the Collections menu, if I choose Albums, I have that one that has just been created using Picasa from my computer. Now, what is the relationship, though? All the photos are in Photos. The album is just like a playlist, if you will. So let's say I go to Photos. I think the best way to show relationship is to delete photos. So I go to Photos and I click the trash can. And notice this, it says all items moved to trash from your photos library also get removed from all your synced mobile devices and places they're shared on Google. I click Remove. And now when I go back and check in on our album, the photo of Lincoln is gone. So if I delete it from Photos, it's deleted from Albums. Is it deleted from my computer? No, that is not a synced device. It's just mobile devices that are synced. All right, what about the other way around? If I delete, I'm looking at the album now, and I look at this picture of the red bicycles, and there even is no trash can, but there is this 3-dot menu, and I can remove from album and remove. So now I am no longer seeing the red bicycles from the album, but if I go back to Photos, the red bicycles are still there. I can even delete the entire album. I click on the album, 3-dot menu, and delete album. Delete. And the photos are all still there. Using Google Photos, I can recreate an album. You just select the pictures. How about I'll just select a few? I can click on one end and shift click on the rest, and I get selected all the pictures in between. Now you click the little plus up at the top and create a new album. A title, and I now have my album back. So I hope that helps understand the relationship between photos and album. Your photos are in your All Photos area. You can choose specific photos to be put into albums, but those are just virtual. Delete from photos, they're gone from the album. Delete from the album, they're still in photos.